Look guys, look at that, man. It's now finished. Only the boarding house or apartment needs to be filled up with double deck beds. And that side is the internet cafe. Look at that. The piece of Wi-Fi and internet cafe is open now.